Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that big red token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Decred DRC is a self-funding community governed cryptocurrency designed as a secure and adaptable form of digital money hybrid security model. It uses a combination of proof of work miners and proof of stake stakeholders to secure the network and validate transactions. Stakeholder governance. DRC holders can look their coins to vote directly on protocol, upgrades, funding, and policy decision. Self-funding treasury. A portion of every block rewards is automatically allocated to a community treasury, funding ongoing development and initiatives. Bcrate project institution rating is 3.8. Ecrate token total supply is 17.51 million and circulating supply is also 17.51 million. DRC token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.